Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now, I thought I'd do an update video for you guys because obviously I haven't put a video up for a couple of weeks. That's mainly because I've been helping someone out. So, but I thought I'd show you what I've done so far and what my plans are moving on, so that, you guys know what to look forward to. So let me just turn the camera around. Okay, so here is the first part completed. Hang on, I'll just see if I can zoom out a bit. There we go. Okay, so I've got all my things up here. Like I said, I've got my distress oxides down there. Now this here is a little light that's going to end up going up here, which is just battery operated, but it's very, very bright because I notice it's quite dark under there, so I wanted to be able to light it up so I can see what I'm doing. Now I made this little piece here for my little blending brushes to sit on, but I realized I didn't quite do enough, so I'm going to have to redo this, and I'll make it so that I can fit it on there, and I might even end up doing another one that'll sort of sit here, so if I get more blending brushes they can also hang up neat and tidy. And up here I've got my archival inks, the few that I've got. So obviously I've got plenty more to go. Everything that you see currently, that's not the way it's going to stay. I just sort of put everything over here so that while I'm trying to gather up materials and everything else, that I might be able to do some videos on cards or whatever I decide I want to do. So, and down here is my Gemini, just like I said, and I actually hung my double-sided tape and foam tape and everything up there, and my heat gun, so they're all neat and tidy. And I've got a very bright light there, which I'm going to put a strip of MDF across here so that when I do videos it doesn't affect the videos. And then over here I've just filled it with other things that will eventually have a different home. And down here I've got my distressed inks. Again, I haven't got many of them, and I'm going to put another light up here as well, which is sitting just there for the minute because I won't put them on until I'll actually paint this. So I thought leave it for last. And by the way, those two lights, they're battery operated and they actually come with a remote control. So basically the thing that I've worked out is trying to do this with MDF and not having the right setup for woodworking has made it an absolute nightmare. So I have decided I'm going to set up my woodworking station, and I actually went and bought today a thickener so that I've got that all organised, because I'm going to build. And by the way, my woodworking station and my woodworking area, I'm going to build it myself so that I can make everything work. So basically those red cupboards up there, they will end up disappearing. I will make my own cupboards to make them more functional, and I'll probably have a bench area sitting over here, which is going to end up with the drop saw on it. So I'll end up taking the drop saw off that stand and secure it to the bench. I've got my dust extractor, which is a must. So, and I'm going to build a great big work area where I'm going to build in my table saw, my router, so that, you know, everything's just going to run smoothly. And I bought a whole heap. I bought another 4 today, but a whole heap of these corner clamps, because yeah, I was struggling. So I got those. My little belt sander, that is going to end up going on the bench that I'm going to build for over there, and so is the thickener. So basically I'm definitely going to make sure that, you know, life will be much easier. So at the moment everything is rather messy because there's tools everywhere because I've got nowhere to go. So, but as soon as I've got the workbench, my main workbench with the table saw on it, that's when I can build the other piece that's going to be on this side here, which is going to store all my cardstock and that. And once I've done that, and that's all painted up, including that one there, I'm actually going to build some drawers like this plastic one, but in wood obviously. And when you look at this, it's actually sticking in quite a bit. I'm going to make my drawers deeper, so it comes up to here, to the edge, right? And this side will hold all my tools. And I'm going to make a second one, which won't be as deep because it's not as deep on that side. And I'm going to design that so it holds all my re-inkers and, you know, my alcohol inks and liquid pearls, you know, all those sort of things, like basically all the ones that I've got up here. So, because basically I am really trying to make this an area dedicated to papercraft. Okay, so, but as I say, while I'm waiting to get everything together in order to build my workstation so that I can continue with this project, I will start doing videos on card making and that as well. I just got to try and figure out when it's the best time for me to be able to do a video, so it'll be probably either a Tuesday or a Wednesday. So, but yeah, and eventually I'm actually going to move that desk over to here, so I'll literally end up with this little U shape. So, so yeah, I'm definitely remodeling everything, and the aim is that at least one toolbox will end up going downstairs to my husband because he needs more toolboxes. And it's like, well, if I eliminate them, then why go buy one when we've got 2? So, but that one there is going to take me quite some time to empty because that has sewing things in it. It has all sorts of stuff. And if you want, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some of my sketches that I've done where I've got ideas, especially for my sewing area, because that's actually going to be a cupboard, but it's a cupboard that you can't buy. You literally have to make it yourself. So yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, and I'll leave it at that for the minute. And I will eventually do a video where I will tell you some of the things that I reminded myself of that I had learned 37 years ago in woodworking, where I'd completely forgotten, because it has been that long, so that, you know, you guys don't make the same mistake. And, you know, if you want to do something like this, and yeah. But, yeah, we'll see how things go. Anyway, I am buggered. I'm going home, because I'm going to end up having to do, you know, edit this video and put it up on YouTube for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. And oh, by the way, thank you to all the new subscribers that we've gotten. I am over the moon. I can't believe how fast the channel is starting to grow. So thank you so much, guys. And if you are new to my channel and it's the first time you've watched, please check out all my other videos and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notified of new videos that are coming up. And be sure to give us a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.